Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Celero 5G Plus for Boost Mobile. So the Celero 5G Plus is a new budget 5G smartphone for Boost Mobile. It's available now for $149.99, currently on sale. The full retail price is $289.99, and it is now available in a phantom gray color there. Very nice looking phone. Kind of reminds me of the original Celero 5G that Boost Mobile offered in 2021. Y'all guys get 128 gigabytes of storage there, and you guys can see the phone there, front and back. Very nice looking phone. I was a big fan of the original Celero 5G. Very nice looking phone as well. Yeah. So there's front and back of the phone there. Let me try and get in the frame there. So y'all guys have your whole points for your front facing camera there, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there, your triple camera system down the back, Celero 5G Plus logo down the back. Pretty cool. Like I said, this is the front of the phone, very nice looking phone, whole punch for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, nice looking wallpaper. On the back of the Celero 5G is your triple camera system, camera for a Celero 5G Plus logo there, and has like this metallic gray color there. So the back of the phone looks like the original Celero 5G. So yeah, pretty cool. There's the right side of it again. Like I said, power button, volume keys. There it is chilling on the side there. On the bottom of the phone, if you guys could see that, is your charging port, speaker, and I think that's a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. There's the back, including the right side, power button, volume key. So I'm guessing your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone, I guess. And there it is again on the landscape mode there. The specs on this phone, it has Android 12, which is pretty good. I think the Celero 5G came with Android 10 in 2021, so pretty cool there. I'm surprised it did not come with Android 13. I'm surprised it didn't. 17.1 hours of talk time, 50 megapixel main camera, and a 7-inch display. That is, you're reading that correctly. 7-inch display, that is correct. So it's fucking insane. Features, meet more, meets the eye. The Celero 5G Plus is the phone evolution you've been waiting for, with improved features across the board, plus strong blazing fast 5G connection and intense Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processing speeds. Whether you are streaming your favorite shows, broadcasting your life to the world, staying in touch with family and friends, or working on the road, the Celero 5G Plus does it all. Yeah, very nice looking phone right there. Megapixels. The main lens for the triple rear camera captures everything you do in 50 megapixel of lifelike glory, so you can record all your adventures and share them with crystal clear precision. And second-rate selfies are a thing of the past, with a 16 megapixel front camera that will have you looking your best in meetings, videos, or perfectly captured stills. Right? That's a closer look at the rear camera system down the back. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor and NFC compatibility, so that's very nice to have. It says secure access to your phone has never been easier. Side fingerprint access feels second nature, so you won't be stumbling around to unlock your phone. Plus, NFC compatibility allows for secure payment processing where available, so you will be able to use Google Pay on here. And I guess in your power button is your fingerprint sensor, so like it was on the original Celero 5G. So pretty cool there. 5,000 milliamp battery. The Celero 5G Plus specs to be part of the action all day, and the fast charging 5000 mAh battery with wireless charging capabilities is up to the task wherever you go. So you guys will get a 5000 milliamp battery. It is fast charging, and you get wireless charging on here as well. So not bad for a budget 5G phone like this. Very nice. So pretty cool. Sharp camera, 50 megapixel main camera, triple rear camera, capture splendid shots, secure payment transaction, NFC capability, allows for secure payment processing where available. Big display. That's the main strong point of this phone, is its big ass display, 7 inches, Full HD plus. Big display provides immersive viewing experience with 120Hz refresh rate. So that's fucking insane. You're getting an S7 inch display. That's fucking insane. So if you guys like big screen phones, here you go. 5000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charging and wireless charging. Premium design, premium materials with Gorilla Glass 3 screen and premium glass back cover. Alright. Specs. Like I said, main selling point of the Celero 5G Plus is its display, which is 7 inches. That is correct. 7 inches Full HD plus with 120Hz refresh rate. 5000 mAh battery, 15 watt fast charging and wireless charging. Snapdragon 695 processor, Android 12, 225 grams. Camera 50 megapixel main. That is an ultra wide camera. You get a 50 megapixel main camera. I think it's a 5 megapixel ultra wide, then a 2 megapixel macro triple rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 128 gigabytes of storage, and the RAM I'm gonna say is 4 gigabytes. I'm gonna say the RAM is 4 gigabytes of RAM, which isn't too bad. Your connectivity options include Wi-Fi, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and Type-C charging. Your dimensions are in height, length, and depth there. So the height of the Celero 5G Plus is 6.92 inches. The width 3.10 inches. Depth 0.35 inches. Other features include wireless charging, which is 15 watt, fingerprint scanner, which is your power button, and you get NFC on board as well. So that's pretty cool. What's included in the box is your quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, safety and regulatory information, 15 watt charger, and your SIM ejection tool. So pretty standard stuff in the box there. So pretty nice there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Celero 5G Plus is now here at Boost Mobile for $149.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone on Boost, here you guys go. The main selling point of the phone, of course, is its massive ass display, 7 inches. That is correct, 7 inches display, 120Hz refresh rate. So not bad for a budget 5G phone. Not bad. I think it's a pretty well spec machine there. The phone looks very nice, has great features. So yeah, if you guys have the original Celero 5G, get this one. Why not, right? So yeah. So do you guys have it? The Celero 5G Plus is now here at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like something a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.